Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, one more day has passed today for related to construction at my home or basement renovation, whatever you say, and today some significant progress has been made. So basically today two teams arrived, one after one. The first team that arrived was, well, why they have moved it? Oh yeah, I know why they have moved it. The first team that was arrived was tiling team. You see is my washroom. Let me turn on the flash. Let me, if I can turn the flash on. Yeah, now it looks better. So they have completed a tiling here, okay, and even this shower area is installed. Of course it will be clean. See, the tiles have been installed all the way, okay. The second team that arrived was sanding team. After mudding was done, they had to do the finishing. So they had done the finishing, and it's done. Sanding is done. They finished the sanding. I don't know which team is gonna come tomorrow. It's gonna come, I don't know which team is gonna come tomorrow, but like lot of cleanup they should do. Like I think in the cleanup sense they are lacking behind, but it's okay. They eventually they will do it. They have to do it, right? They have done the sanding for everything. Yeah. So that's why I see a lot of dust on the floor. It was anticipated. It's gonna happen. But yes, significant progress has been made. In fact, these guys were highly efficient that they saved some tiles also. Like these tiles you see, 3 are still there in the garage. They wrapped it up. Wow. Around. Hopefully it looks very nice. It should be once it is ready. So that is what it is, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. I'll give you more progress update as and when it progresses. Tomorrow again more teams are gonna come, but as I said, I don't know who will come and do what. Maybe and one more thing, the guy who came for tiling, he is the same subcontractor who has been contracted to make the kitchen. So he said that in his workshop the work is on in full progress. So pretty soon hopefully we'll see more things being done over here. So we'll update you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.